Good morning, everyone. It's not posted yet, but good morning. I'm starting to blow my nose because I just had breakfast. It's French toast sticks. Yummy. I want to make some strawberry ones next. The week after, I want to make like French toast, but I saw a recipe for strawberry cheesecake ones, and it looks so good. But it was Wednesday morning, and we just got ready for the day. We had to do budget before she gets here. We did a little bit of dishes, ate some breakfast, and then had to put shoes on, nuts on the stuff, and budget, and that kind of stuff. I probably can't go barefooted. I could, but she probably wouldn't let me go barefooted. No, I couldn't go on sandals. I couldn't go on sandals because dogs would probably step on your feet, and I don't know how many more days until the 7th now. Now they pushed it back because the same day. And I finished my art project. I don't know if I showed you last night, but here it looks like. I'm going to give it to Katie today or tomorrow. I'm going to tell her about it today. But I wear the same jeans. They're from Aeropostale. Not Aeropostale. They're from Rue 21. It's like Rue and then 121. I have no shoes on right now. And under, I just wear a plain white tank top. And over it, it's my Hart volunteer shirt. I wear this one every Wednesday, almost every Wednesday. Where I can't open a can because I can. And if I don't drink it all, I will drink half of it. Renan will have my bracelets on. I'm going to grab a sweatshirt. This is halfway laundry. But I chose my outfit. I didn't choose my shirt yet. But you guys can do it with me because, oh, you guys are charging, not mine. I could take you off the charger and put you back on and see what say about my big clump. This is for after Hart. I don't want to wear like, you guys are blocking I don't want to wear like that shirt because if I take off my sweatshirt, we're doing a painting in later after and Evie gets picked up and Steve dropped off. And then we're probably go eat something, or might be just me and Liz, but until Kate gets back into town. I have so many shirts that I'm happy my staff doesn't come into my closet. Sometimes they do. I have so much stuff. Yeah, I kind of want to go once, shoot my closet from the bottom to the top and show stuff that I don't want and stuff that I want to keep. Like, I have garage sale stuff, I have floor hockey stuff from when I played floor hockey, gift bags, to suitcases, to boxes, to ice skates, to old boots. Some I want to keep, some boxes for like gifts and stuff like that. We're in the closet to find a shirt. Not like a old shirt. We don't really want to wear like a really old shirt to bowling. This is for bowling too. And my pants. And I'm wearing this sweatshirt. My Skigo one. I always wear like a gray shirt under this because it has let me show you. I wear it because it has paint splattered there. Don't know where else. Paint splattered right there. Right on the... Yeah. That's why. That's why I'm wearing that one, but I might wear a different sweatshirt to Hart. What sweatshirt should we wear to Hart? I don't want to wear my white one. No way. How about my black sweatshirt for Hart? I'm going to wear my black one to Hart. And wear that one later. I'm going to wear this one now. My black one. I wore this to Hart before. In the summer, it would be some shorts. Not like holy shorts, but we're gonna go find some plain. Maybe next year I might have a different pair of short pants. In the summer, I don't really wear short pants. But for my shorts this year for the summer, I'm still looking for that shirt to wear underneath my... I'm gonna set you guys somewhere. Stay. I don't really have any bad t-shirts that I could wear. I always have good t-shirts to wear. Because it would be practice, but I'm not going because there's no staff. Because everybody's doing this art. Then a shirt's missing. I don't know if it's behind anything. I'm going to check if it's behind my suitcase. Yeah, shirt is missing, but I bet you it's in this pile. It's probably in this pile. That's why it's missing. I'm gonna do a part 2. I'll see you guys on part 2.